Is your Breville Barista broken and you can't figure out how to open it and you're like, gosh dang it, I gotta go get a new one, and your last effort, you go on YouTube and you find some kid yelling at you? Hi, welcome. Let's get cracking and crack this thing open. All right, so we got 2 screws. One in here, one in here. Remove the water tank. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and you got 1 hidden in here. Alright, and this one is a bit of a pain in the butt. Just get something super thin and kind of get up underneath it and pry it up. Alright, and then you take the hopper off. Alright, and then you flip it over. And you got 2 more. And then this should just pop off. Unplug it here so it's not dangling. Alright, and you can just pop it open. Open this bad boy up. And just disconnect this hose line. And you're good to go. Alright, I hope this helped. Good luck on fixing your machine, and thank you for watching.